friends, today we are working with two different types of mushrooms, the white button mushroom and the baby portobello. The white mushrooms are a little bit older, and I'm going to show you what a mushroom that's getting close to its prime looks like. The capsules start to separate from the stems. You see that little opening there? We've got probably like a day left, I would say. They're getting a little bit softer as well as they age. What you would like is a mushroom that is no separation and very firm feeling. I have been taking a damp paper towel and actually going over all the little dirt on there and just wiping it off. And I have let it sit for 20 minutes already so it can kind of air dry, because mushrooms have so much liquid in them. We definitely don't want to put any more. So I wouldn't wash a mushroom underneath running water unless it was very dirty, but I would just use simply a little paper towel. You can see I got some dirt on there and underneath my nails, but we'll get all cleaned up and we'll be right back. Normally mushrooms release a lot of liquid when they cook, which can make them steam instead of brown. To avoid that, I'm going to use a higher heat and give each side of the mushroom direct contact with the pan. Mushrooms are about 90% water, so when they hit the hot pan, the water starts to escape. That's why we have to make it super hot, not just warm. And why the hot heat matters: it allows the surface of the mushroom to caramelize and deepen the golden color and the flavor. So we're going to place the mushrooms cut side down, and don't move them right away. Just let them sit so they can brown. Flip them once you see the golden edge forming. And don't crowd them. That also is a problem with cooking that causes more steam instead of caramelization. So I've already cut some of the mushrooms right now, and our pan is heating. Okay, I've let them slightly brown on the sides and turned a few of them over so you could kind of observe. There is always going to be some liquid coming out with mushrooms. However, if you space them out and let them air dry a little bit, when you pat them dry with the paper towel, the damp paper towel, you'll get better results. So we're going to get more flavor, concentrated flavor. This guy, he looks a little wet, so you know what? You just flip him over again and he'll evaporate. But if we had this all crowded in here, they would not evaporate. So that's how you make awesome sauteed mushrooms without crowding the pan.